All right, you guys, I'm gonna tell you a secret. And if I'm the one to break it to you, then I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but winged eyeliner with a black felt tip pen is out of style. It is no longer what is current and trendy, and instead we've got this gorgeous smudged brown eyeliner. So today I'm gonna show you how to do this. It's all over TikTok and Instagram on the best ways to do it, but I'm gonna tell you this is truly the best and the easiest way to do this smudged brown eyeliner. So I'm applying my product in the corner of her eye, and I'll apply a good amount of product. Doesn't look super clean at first, but then I go in and I buff it out. And just feather the product up and out, kind of in the way that it wants to go. Look towards me, and then look up. Same thing underneath, apply a good amount of product there in the corner, and then I feather it in and up. I recommend doing this before you do mascara and lashes, but since we had just done a tutorial on this gorgeous makeup look, so stay tuned for that. That should be coming out in one of our next videos. I'm doing this last. Sometimes you need to warm up the liner a little bit before you apply it. So I warmed it up on my hand so that I wouldn't be jabbing her eyeball out. I'm sure she appreciates that. Honestly, this is so simple. If you get this Makeup by Mario, it has a brush attached to it, which mine is well loved, but I also get a little smudging brush and just blend it again with the smudging brush, and you're good to go. You guys, I'm sure you absolutely loved watching this video. It was truly the best because in a quick amount of time, I showed you the best way to do a smudged brown liner. So tag us below and tell us the other videos that you want to see that are trending on TikTok and Instagram right now. We can't wait to show you all the tips and tricks.